Here we've got OPPO Reno Pro, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select security, and here scroll a bit down. Here you will notice unknown source installation. Just click on it and pick application that you would like to give this permission to. So here you've got all the options, and for example, if you would like to activate it for Google Chrome, just click here to allow from this source. Just click on allow to confirm, and then you can pick whichever application you would like to give this permission to. Just tap on the indicator, make it active, and then you will be able to install from this source. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources in your OPPO Reno. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.